gives us plenty of options. Now, would you prefer a phone call or an in-person meeting, and what day and time work best for you?
I prefer a phone call. Coming Tuesday, 10 a.m. Tuesday works the best for me.
This coming Tuesday. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. If you have any further questions or
AI voice agents are not just coming, they're already changing the game. Today, I will show you exactly how business owners are already using these AI voice agents to handle real calls, qualifying leads, and book appointments, all without lifting a finger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kay here. I help business owners automate boring tasks using powerful AI solutions. Today, we're building a fully automated AI voice caller that answers inbound sales calls, also does outbound sales calls, qualifying leads, and book appointments immediately, which is perfect for real estate agents, restaurant owners, and any businesses that are tired of losing leads. But first, let's see this in action.
etc. such like you have talked to
I'm looking for 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms.
bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a beautiful backyard, and a garage in Philadelphia. Lastly,
Stick around, I'm gonna show you how to build these AI voice agents using Vapi in this video. Before we build, let's understand what Vapi actually does. Vapi connects your AI model with real phone lines, allowing AI agents to make real phone calls and even update your CRM. Think of it as the brain and the voice behind every sale calls. Head to Vapi, create a new agent. So first off, you're gonna go to Vapi. I'm gonna put the link down below. If you have already signed up, you can just go to Open Dashboard, click Create Assistant. You can use blank template or customer support specialist, lead qualification specialist, or you can also use AI appointment scheduler. This is especially for real estate agents, any business that requires leads. Let's just start with this appointment scheduler, but we're gonna name letter appointment scheduler. Click Create Assistant, and let's give it a personality: professional, casual, or maybe luxury concrete vibe. This depends on your brand. Now we will define how this agent talks. Upload your scripts or write a dynamic prompt. So as you guys can see, there is already a system prompt. So this system prompt is going to give you the instruction. But what we're gonna do is we have to change this prompt into the one that we are actually gonna be building here. We're gonna be using this Claude AI. I'm gonna put the link for Claude as well. So in order to write better prompts, we can use ChatGPT, or we can also use Claude AI. So write a prompt for an AI voice agent to build Vapi schedule. Write a prompt for an AI voice agent to build on Vapi for a real estate agent. As an example, the qualifying leads and schedule an appointment. Let Claude AI write this prompt for us, and we have to change the prompt on Vapi. This is pretty cool. So Claude AI is right now writing down all these prompts from Custom GPT. Alright, so we have this full prompt right here. Claude AI is like so much better. Oh wait, hold on 1 second. Use the name, letter for, let's say, Grand Valley real estate. Wow. So it's gonna ask you all the questions here. Just click copy. I'm gonna change it on here. You can use any models here, but let's just use whatever costs cheaper. So use this one, GPT-4. By the way, you guys can also just test the voice. What kind of voice you want to use this, what kind of models. Head over to this one. If you want to change this first, click voice, and right here you can just play around. I actually like this one. I don't really know how to pronounce this name, but they do have these different voices that you can play around with. They will still give you predefined functions where you can enable and call functions. There's like a lot more that we can specify with. Right now, let's just go to this model. This is a lot better. See, we just use. So provider is OpenAI. For the file, you can add a new file, or if you want to add any type of knowledge-based files, let's say you want to let this AI agent know more about your business, you can actually upload this at this new file right here. You can also change the temperature here. By the way, you guys can also change the language in here, but we are going with this English language here. Okay, let's just make this to not Lara, but we're gonna name it like a middle names, Jake. I kind of like this voice, his voice, so we will be using it. And then, hello, thank you for real estate agent. This is Jake. All right. Publish this, and now talk to is our agent. So if you're ready, let's just see this in action.
Hello, thank you for calling our real estate office. This is Claude, the assistant for our team.
Hello, thank you for calling our real estate office. This is Lara. Selling or
This is crazy.
could you please let me know how I can help you today?
Assistant for our team of professional real estate agents. I'd be happy to help you today. May I ask your name and what brings you to call us today?
Yeah, I was looking for a property in Philadelphia.
Our experienced real estate agents.
10 a.m. Tuesday works the best for me.
Perfect, Kay. I'll schedule a phone. We look forward to helping you find your perfect home in Philadelphia. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you as well. Good job. And of course, we can change the voice to like a female voice or whoever we want to identify as. Yeah, assistant. This is Jake. You can name it whatever you want to name it. Choose the voice whatever you want to. If we want to go further, if we want to build an AI system that really schedule this appointment, you can also use this Vapi.com to integrate this Vapi to Google Calendar or even your CRM. To get one from Twilio.com, if you guys don't have it, I'm gonna put the link down below. Go get yourself one, this virtual Twilio phone number. You can also provide this phone number. So to get this phone number, to create this phone number, you can get it from Twilio. To get one from Twilio.com. If you guys don't have it, I'm gonna put the link down below. Go get yourself one, this virtual Twilio phone number. Twilio. Okay, so for this AI voice assistants, AI voice agents, we can use this for restaurants, for real estate agents. So wherever you want to use it, or if you want to use it in your own business, or if you are helping other businesses like I am, use these features. It's really great. So I do have, and you can. And by the way, guys, I forgot to add, if you want to see the call histories, the transcript, you want to click assistant and click the three dots, click call logs. And there you can see the transcripts, the interaction within the caller and your assistant and the customer. You can get the whole transcript, you can download it, or you can also get the recording. So here's what the recording looks like. You can play it and you can also download it. Okay, so for this AI voice assistants, AI voice agents, we can use this for restaurants, for real estate agents. So whatever you want to use it, your own business, or if you are helping other businesses like I am, use these features, connect it with your AI assistant. So that's it for creating your AI voice agent with Vapi. I'm pretty sure that it explains it well, and if it doesn't, or if you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to build an AI voice agent like this or any AI voice system, please go through the description, email me, or you can also DM me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that I can keep creating more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.